Today you're going to work on the classification activity. You're going to complete this table and answer these post-lab questions. To complete this table, you'll probably want to use your classification notes. You remember part of those notes, we identified some characteristics that you're going to use in the classification lab or activity, whether something's a prokaryote or eukaryote, something's heterotroph or autotroph, sense organs, motile, different body plants. You're also going to have to identify whether something's unicellular or multicellular, asexual or sexual. Some of those things you may have found out when you did the Kingdom Web Quest. So you probably want both of those Google Docs open while you're doing this. And then all you have to do today is fill out the table and answer these post-lab questions when you are done. Now we're going to do one together about the dung beetle, just to show you how easily it is done. All right, if I don't know what one of these organisms is, I can simply do a Google search to get some pictures and some information about this organism. Now, hopefully we know that a dung beetle is an insect. Insects have cells that have a nucleus. So they do have a nucleus. They are eukaryotic. There is more than one cell making up that dung beetle, so it is multicellular. Dung beetles, like other dung beetles, they reproduce sexually. That dung beetle eats poo, so it does not make its own food. Therefore, it is a heterotroph. That dung beetle can smell the food. It can use its antenna to feel around for things. It has some sort of eye, so it can see things, so it does have a sense organ. That dung beetle's moving around, so it is motile. That dung beetle will have bilateral symmetry, and it belongs in the kingdom Animalia. So you're going to follow this same procedure for the rest of the organisms on the table. If you're unsure of something, you can always Google search it. I'm sure you're going to break the mower. It's okay. When you are completed with this, we'll go over the answers on the table. Make sure you did them correctly.